Yeah, try it.
Now I know what muscles I need.
Not only the strength, yes, as you realize, it's the balance and the coordination.
Are you going to get me?
I'll catch you if you stumble and you need to. If you stumble, I want to let you try to catch yourself, and if you can't catch yourself, I will. Part of the skill is stopping your stumble.
Whoa.